Okay, so in the last lesson we saw how to do this eye refining things. So in this lesson I'm going to do the nose blocking here. So let's start from extruding this edge here, from this edge to this edge. So hold shift and double click to get the in between edge loop. So then I'm going to extrude it, and let's move it just using the move tool. So to this nose top area and the nostril top area, and then I'm going to adjust these things a little bit to get this loop. If you look at the whole loop, it's like jagged, so I'm just like making that loop a little bit smoother. And then this line should come to this nostril line here, and this line should be at the ball of the nose here. So at the center we have the ball of the nose, and this is the nostril wings. So we have two lines for that. So then I'm going to extrude again this loop, again extrude. This time I'm extruding to reach the bottom of the nose here. Okay, so now I have two faces to extrude the nose. Before extrude, I just like to move this to the nostril base here. So this is my nostril base line here, you can say. Okay, and then I would like to arrange these things like this. And this loop, you can see this is going towards the lip, and if you see this horizontal loop, it's going like around the leaf, you can say, around this kind of this. Okay, and always look at your different views, don't forget those views. Always look at those views and adjust if it's necessary. Just select this edge and extrude it, move this like this, and let's merge these two vertices here. Go to edit mesh and merge to center. So I have something kind of a block there, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to extrude this face as my nostril. Okay, and let's extrude this face. So let's scale this, and let's scale like this. So this would be my nostril, and now it's roughly block out. Okay, good to go. Now I can even extrude this face. Just extrude this like this to make the nostril there. Okay, so extrude like this, and now I'm going to put some edge loop there. So I'm going to put one edge loop here like this to create this shape here. You can see from the side view if I adjust this. So this is my nostril here, like this. Obviously it's not adjusted right now properly. I have to adjust these things, these vertices. Now I'm using my component mode. If you double click on the move tool, I'm using my world mode. You can change it to component so that you get the angle of your mesh direction. Like let's say this one, you can see almost the Y is like almost to that direction. So now I'm extruding this two face here. So let's extrude those inside to create the nostril, and I can delete that face. I think I should keep that face here. Oh, sorry, just move inside. So now you can see it's like moving oddly, so it's because of this component. Let's change this to world. So if you press 3, now you can see something like a nose. Again, it's not perfectly defined. That's fine, we can do that later. So then I would like to extrude these two edges, and let's merge these two vertex. So you can see I just use this marking menu like this, hold shift and right click. So you can see I'm showing you both options, like from the menu here it is, and if you select both of them and hold shift right click, you can get this marking menu where you will get this here, merge vertex and merge vertex to center. Okay, so now it's fine. So let's move these things on the side view. You can see it's going backward there, like around the mouth there. Okay, so make sure you are like creating the shape at the same time when you extrude. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we are going to do the mouth area.